Almost everything around us goes through a durability cycle. Some may be longer, whereas others may be shorter. For example, the coating on a scratch card is made to be easy to scratch off in seconds, but the leather on your sofa is expected to last years, even with people constantly sitting on it and cleaning it regularly. Manufacturers need to guarantee that their product can withstand the conditions they are most likely to be subjected to within the product's expected time frame. This is why it is vital to test a material's or coating's resistance to wear using a tester such as the Elcometer 1720 Abrasion and Washability Tester. The Elcometer 1720 Abrasion and Washability Tester is robust, reliable, and extremely versatile, and is designed for testing the washability, brushability, and resistance of a material or coating. Now you may be asking yourself, what materials or coatings can be used with the tester, and what is the maximum sample size the Elcometer 1720 can test? Designed to test almost any material, including, but not limited to, paint, lacquers, inks, coatings, leathers, woods, plastics, printed material, and fabrics. The Elcometer 1720 can test almost any material, flat or curved, so long as the product, a sample of the material the product is made from, or a sample of the coating is no larger than 480mm long and 340mm wide. If your sample is too thick to fit into the tester, an alternative to using the curved sample tool is to simply place your sample in the tool holder and your tool in the sample holder. For more information regarding the Elcometer 1720 Abrasion and Washability Tester, simply visit www.elcometer.com, and please do not forget to subscribe to the Elcometer channel to be notified of any new videos.